Hey people, make una meet Eka Inte. Eka Inte the housemaid. Okay, madam say make I cook beans for Oga and I never use pressure cooker before. So now I dey use a pressure cooker now. See, look at pressure cooker. Fear not let me touch am well, and in dey release the heat comot. Okay, yeah. Now I go dey carry I con dey carry crayfish make I blend. So yeah, I carry crayfish and I put tomatoes and con dey blend down. I wan blend am together. So I dey press the tomatoes inside and oga dey kitchen and me don dey find the way me wan take collect my madam oga, because madam no dey try at all. Madam na very very wicked person. Madam say make I make custard for oga and beans, and me I happy. Oga dey house with me and madam don go work. So na I dey cook the beans for madam, for oga. Oga dey kitchen, oga don dey hungry, dey waka up and down, and me dey try dey put my bum my nyash for oga face. Oga no even dey look my face at all. Oga no dey send shave face, so oga dey hungry. So I don cook this beans, and this pressure cooker very good well well oh. Hey, e cook the beans for just 25 minutes. The beans don ready. Na me just I slice onions. I don slice those as the beans. If na fire I dey use, for where I for go, if I dey use fire, the beans no dey quick dey done. But madam just say oga dey still dey follow. I don know say oga don dey hungry. That's okay. Make I quick start and make I cook for oga. Oga na very good man. Oga good pass my madam. My madam na very 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 wicked woman. So yeah, now I don't put the oil, I don't fry everything. Madam say make I put fish. I put fish, so I put many. If you see fish, when madam say make I take cook beans, the food now protein, see, so protein, I full inside. So I don't put the fish and I don't put tomatoes. I don't they blend. I don't they blend. I don't they mash. Maggi. The Maggi is strong, like I don't know where madam for see that kind of Maggi. Maggi is strong like stone. So I have to pan the Maggi as they pan yam. So yeah, I don dey pour my beans. They pour the beans where I don already boil. The beans done well. I don pour and just fry am. So now madam teach me how to fry am like this. Because if madam cook am for oga like this, oga dey like am well. So he can teach me. So make I dey fry the beans like this. I don fry and the thing don ready. Oh my God! If you taste this bean, the sweet don dey. The beans sweet well. See, yeah, now I don dey make custard for oga. No be everybody sabi make custard. Even madam dey learn for where I dey. This custard, na professional na dey fit make custard and akamu. Me na wey don tey wey I don dey do house girl for over 25 years. I sabi am well. So I don make the custard. The custard don ready. I say make oga come carry. I pour water. I be like say yeah, oga dey call. Make I pour water on top. May e no come thick like agidi. So I have to pour water on top. So yeah, if you don't know na me, you know. If you make akamu, you go pour water. If you want chop am, you go comot the water before you start to dey eat am. E go see fresh.